In today's video, I'm going to show you how to center text in Notion, step by step, using a simple workaround that actually works in 2026. If you've ever tried to center text in Notion and realized there's no built-in Align Center button, don't worry, you're not alone. Notion doesn't officially support text alignment yet, but with this method, you can visually center your text cleanly and consistently on any page. This is perfect for headers, callouts, dividers, or aesthetic layouts. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips, productivity hacks, and software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Notion and navigate to the page where you want to center your text. This can be a brand new page or an existing one you're already working on. Once you're on the page, click Anywhere to create a new block, just like you normally would when adding text. Now for the key part of this method. Instead of typing plain text, you're going to use Notion's equation block. To do that, type a / on your keyboard, then type the word equation and select equation from the drop-down menu. This will open an equation input box. Inside this equation box, you can type any text you want to appear centered. This could be a title, a section heading, or even a short sentence. Now here's something really important to understand. In the equation block, spaces don't work the same way as normal text. If you try to use regular spaces to position your text, Notion will ignore them. So instead of spaces, you need to use hyphens to push the text into the center. Start by typing a series of hyphens, then your text, then another series of hyphens after it. You may need to experiment a little by adding or removing hyphens on each side until the text looks centered on the page. The more hyphens you add to the left and right, the more control you'll have over the positioning. Once you're happy with how the text looks, click the Done button to apply the equation. Your text will now appear centered on the page. From here, you can resize the page width or toggle full width in Notion to fine-tune the alignment even more. This trick works especially well for dashboard titles, section separators, and aesthetic layouts where alignment really matters. Keep in mind that since this is an equation block, the text won't behave exactly like normal text blocks, but visually, it gets the job done until Notion adds native center alignment. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully centered text in Notion using the equation block method. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials and software guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.